Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into XIAOMI 12T. First of all, open your Play Store and find here X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. Then tap open. Now need close ads. And now from the library of our application you choose some applications, maybe YouTube will be nice. Now from the icon library choose new icon for this application, maybe this one. Okay, and now for saving this icon need to tap OK button in the top right corner. And here we got message, please go to the system settings to open shortcuts permissions. Tap OK. Here scroll down and find other permissions. Go into, and here I need to activate home screen shortcut setting. Tap on this and choose always allow. Go back one more time, and once again tap OK button. Wait a second for generating new icon. Then need to close ads maybe a few times, so need to wait a second. Okay, we got success message, so go to our home screen and find this new icon of YouTube here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.